Hi, honeys, and welcome to Destination Lifestyle, where we're on a journey to an amazing lifestyle. Featuring influences of fashion, travel, and home. Today, we are going to spend the day together. I'm actually in the mall I'm at Pentagon City. It's in Virginia. Where am I? Arlington, Alexandria. I think it's Arlington. We're in Arlington. And I have to pick up a couple of items I ordered from Zara. Not sure if you remember, but I bought the lamps. One of the lamps had like some little, not a defect, it had something on it. So I ordered another one. I'm going to exchange that. And I have something else planned for us. Anyway, let's head into Zara and we're going to take a quick little zoom around and see what they have. Which I really don't need anything, but hey y'all. Oh, this is the outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this little aloe tracksuit, Born to Run baseball cap. I'm fresh faced, so I just put on my glasses because yeah, I did wake up rather on the later side today because I have been tired. I went to bed late last night. But let's just take a look and see what they have. Y'all know a leopard print. Hate to see me coming. Just a little basic, cute little sandal. Just a little throw on and go. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Not sure if I mentioned that I'm going on a trip tomorrow. I am not shopping for this trip because I'm not buying a thing for this trip. Like I cannot buy anything else that's like summer-ish. So yeah, we're gonna work with what we have. But oh, this green dress is a little cutie. Let me show you, honeys. Just very little cute little classic little piece. You can just throw on with sandals and kick around. But yeah, let me pick up my package. Let me call for the package now. Oh, nice basic. I love a basic. Let's just take a quick little spin and then around the. Oh, this is giving a little Asian flair. We're gonna do a quick little spin around and then I'm going to pick up my package. So let's see what they have in Zara today. All right, honeys, I have package in tow. I kind of stopped. I gotta go. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get something to eat. I don't feel good. I don't feel that great whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is have to go to Shake Shack and grab a bite to eat. How are you? Thank you. Thank you. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, Shake Shack is like literally right here outside the door of, are they open? Yeah, I think they're open. It's right outside the door at Pentagon City, right outside Zara. So I'm gonna maybe get like a chicken sandwich or something. I don't want to really eat inside the mall. Not that there's anything wrong. Y'all, I have a fear of like everything that they're selling us now. Let me step in the shade. I feel like everything that we are being sold as food is not food. Like every time like I see like chicken, I think it's like fake chicken, you know, because I've seen like stuff on Instagram. They have like fake eggs. They look like real eggs, but you know, you boil them and all that stuff and then they're fake. And it's just like, that terrifies me. Another reason I want to get up out this country. But yeah, let me go in here and get me a burger because yeah, your girl is feeling a little on the weaker side. So yeah. Or maybe I need some sugar. I do have a Red Bull in my bag. So maybe I need to sip on that. Yeah, they're open. All right, honeys, so I'm sitting down here at Shake Shack waiting on my food, but I know I need to get some food in my system because I just don't feel that great. The plan is to go to Studs to get my ears pierced because I'm trying to start this little ear party, so to say, and I just need to go ahead on it. Get a move on it. So that's the plan for today. So I'm gonna have my chicken sandwich. I'm gonna drive to Studs, and if I feel better, I'm just gonna go ahead on and get my ears pierced. What I'm getting, I have no idea. But that's what we're doing today. And we are packing because we have a trip. I'm going to show you, honeys, where we're going when we get to the airport. It's definitely someplace in Europe that I've never been. And when we get, it's very quiet in here and I feel awkward talking. So when I get out of here, I'll tell you a little bit more about how I chose this trip. So yeah, we outside all summer, honey. Y'all know I don't play about my summers. Y'all know I don't play. Like, I want to be on vacation. My whole life needs to just be a vacation. Somebody need to pay me to go on vacation. That's just what needs to happen. Destination lifestyle. All right, honeys, we're here. That's an ear party. I really want one, but I don't need all the dangly things. But yeah, let's check it out. Hi there. Good. Is it okay if I record? Yeah. Alrighty. Just want to ask, but I don't have an appointment, but I do want to get a piercing today.
So that's like our price for the service itself. And then in front of you is our piercing filling we use to pierce, and then that is listed by price depending on the style you want. So we have titanium, we have gold titanium, and then we have.
Let me hear you say it. Okay.
That is in the front if you need for $12 a bottle. If you decide to get it from the pharmacy instead, it may be considered wound care wash.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna get myself a matcha, and guess what? I am studded. One extra one there and there. We're gonna take a better look at them. I'm gonna see if I can take a picture of them and show you, honeys. But we're gonna go into Blank Street right now and get myself a matcha.
Sorry.
Thank you. All right, honeys, so I am back home. We had a short but productive day because we got our Zara errand run. We ran our Zara errand. Does that mean, I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I took my stuff back to Zara. And, oh yeah, and actually the purchase the light that I had in Zara, when I got in the car, there was something like a little scratch on the light. So I had to go right back in Zara and return the light again. And yeah, so that's that on that. But I just ordered it all over again. So hopefully they'll send me a new light that with no scratches. It had just like a little scratch on it, but like it's new. So I'm like, I don't want any scratches on it. I want to put the scratches on my own stuff. All right, and you know, we've got a new ear party going. Yes, right now I have 4 over here. I think I'm gonna get another one here, 1 or 2 more here, or 1 here and 1 here. So we'll have 3 here and 5 on this side. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I want to like just, you know, discuss it or look at some pics, you know, some inspo pics to see what I'm actually going to do with these ears. But we're definitely going to go again. It was like definitely this one is hitting a little lobe and cartilage. Because it hit a little cartilage, I did feel it a little more. It was like a slight pinch with a little more power to it. And this one was just kind of like, the paint was kind of like non-existent. So that's that. So the paint level was like, I would say maybe a 4 out of 10 on this one. And this one was probably like a 2 out of 10. So it was definitely bearable. The girl who did my studs, her name was Kayla. And I was like, yeah, I kind of failed this one. But she said I did good, and she think that I can go up again. So the higher you go up, the more it hurts. So she said that I think you can, you know, you have it in you. You can go up a little more. So we're definitely going to do that. I slipped in something a little more comfy. I'll show you my little outfit. This is my little Quince outfit. I love this outfit. It is silk. Everything is silk. And it's just, I'm home, I'm chilling, and I want to feel relaxed but sexy at the same time. So yeah, we went with this just to, you know, chill around and, you know, walk around the house. And I have packing to do, so we're definitely going to do that. Well, we're not going to do that, but I'm definitely going to do that part. But yeah, I will, you have to watch the full vlog to know where I'm going. So you have to continue watching, because yeah, I'll let you know at the end of the vlog. All right, honeys, which brings me to this portion of the vlog, which is being sponsored by Quince. Thank you so much. If you don't know by now, honey, I am the travel queen, Miss Always on Vacay. Honey, I am a luggage snob through and through. And with that being said, guess what? We got some new luggage. And y'all know I love new luggage. Y'all, I cannot wait to show you this. All right, honeys, so just a little bit about Quince. Quince believes that everyone should like have a luxury lifestyle. It does not mean that everything has to be like priced up here. So with Quince, what they do is they kind of cut out the middleman. It's like everything goes from the factory directly to the consumer. So you're not paying any middleman prices. So if you've been following me, or even if you're just now starting to follow me, you know that everything that I'm trying to do about my lifestyle, I'm trying to upgrade it, and I need everything luxury. And that includes my luggage. Yes, my luggage. Listen, if you know me, you already know I'm not getting on a plane looking basic, and apparently my luggage needs to match the assignment too. I'm partnering with Quince, and when I saw these gorgeous green pieces, I said, oh, she's coming with me. Because why does luggage always have to be black, navy, or beige? Baby, I need a little personality at baggage claim, okay? And here's what I really love about Quince. They ship directly from the factory to you, cutting out all of those traditional middlemen and retail markups, which helps keep the prices more affordable. So, can I get that elevated luxury feeling without my bank account having a full-blown emotional breakdown? And that is the kind of luxury I can get behind. I picked green because clearly I'm entering my green luggage era. Paris, green luggage. Miami, green luggage. Weekend getaway, baby, green luggage me every single time. Because if I'm going to be traveling the world, my suitcase may as well have a little personality too. Quince, I see what you're doing here. Honeys, let's just be honest with ourselves. Luggage matters. Okay, honeys, gotta finish packing. All right, honeys, so what did you think about the luggage? Y'all know I am a luggage snob, honey. You will not catch me rolling through the airport in like raggedy luggage. So yeah, thank you, Quince. All right, honeys, so right now I gotta get packed. So definitely taking the new luggage, but yeah, I'm gonna get packed, and this is gonna be where I'm going, like 97 degrees. Like, I'm not sure I thought this through, but it's gonna be 97 degrees. I cannot stress that enough. It's gonna be 97 degrees. I almost want to like just cancel the whole trip, but I'm not, because everything is booked, and everything is booked. But anyway, I am about to get packed and see if I can find some shorts, some little short dresses or skirts or something. I don't know, something that the wind is gonna be able to just like whiff through or something like that. But yeah, okay, so I will see you, honeys. I'll see you shortly. honeys, I totally forgot to show okay, so I'm in the airport. It's the next day. First of all, let's start. So it's the next day. I am in Philadelphia. I left from DC. I'm in Philly now, and I went to the lounge, had drinks, not avocado, guacamole, and just sat there and chilled until now it's time for my flight. I totally forgot to show the board of where we're going. We're going to Budapest. So, you know, I've been saying that I've been wanting to go places that I've never been before, and I kind of just like pretty much just looked on my Bumboy app and just tried to like, where can I go? First I found my hotel room. We'll talk more about that later. First I found my hotel room. I was like, okay. So then, since I found like a good price on my hotel room, I was like, okay, so now I'll figure out like how I can like schedule it into my life. And I did. So we're going to Budapest. I know absolutely zero about Budapest. And let me tell you how I chose Budapest. It was pretty much also from the name, like Budapest. Like, what kind of name is Budapest? I don't know, but I was like, yeah, it sounds interesting, so I want to go. So, and I kind of looked it up, and there are a lot of castles there, apparently, and there's a lot of spas there. They're known for their spas. I keep hearing when I tell somebody I'm going, it's like, oh, we went to an amazing spa, and this, we went to an outdoor spa, we went to this spa. So definitely I'm going to try to find a spa. If not, I'm gonna find something to eat, and I'm gonna enjoy my hotel, and I'm gonna be outside, and as long as I got some shopping there, then she gonna be okay. But anyway, we're going to Budapest. All right, honeys, so I'm going to end this vlog now, and thank you for joining me on another destination lifestyle journey, because you know we outside all summer. Bye. My pants real cute too. They real cute. I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of my pants because they're real cute. Very cute.